Welcome to the Monster Puzzle channel. Today, we will learn about what eater monsters would look like if they existed in real life. An exciting journey awaits you. Let's go!
The King Dinoco Cars eater in real life. The McQueen Transformers in real life. The Heli Head Eater in real life. The living building monsters in real life. The bulldozer eater in real life. The zombie truck McQueen eater in real life. The Spider Lightning McQueen monster in real life. The giant mining truck monsters eater in real life. The lighthouse monster in real life. The taxi spider eater in real life. The Choo Charles in real life. The truck monster eater in real life. The Lightning McQueen in real life. The clown monster in real life. The Skibidi toilet monster in real life.
Guess the monster's voice. Round 1.
The McQueen Transformers in-game.
Round 2.
The Spider Lightning McQueen monster in-game.
Round 3.
The King Dinoco Cars Eater in-game.
Round 4.
The Bulldozer Eater in-game.
Round 5.
The Heli Head Eater in-game.
Round 6.
The Tractor Spiders Eater in-game.
Round 7.
The Truck Eater in-game.
Round 8.
The Living Building Monsters in-game.
Round 9.
The Tomater Spider Eater in-game.
Round 10.
The Zombie Truck McQueen Eater in-game.
The real color of the character. Leave your answer in the comments. Well done.
Guess the monster's voice. Round 1.
The Choo Choo Charles in-game.
Round 2.
The Skibidi Toilet Monster in-game.
Round 3.
The taxi spider eater in-game.
Round 4.
The sky eater in-game.
Round 5.
The train eater in-game.
Round 6.
The truck monster eater in-game.
Round 7.
The clown monster in-game.
Round 8.
The lighthouse monster in-game.
Round 9.
The lightning McQueen in-game.
Round 10.
The giant mining truck monsters eater in-game. The spider jeep in real life. The boxy boo eater in real life. The spider lighthouse in real life. The Boonga in real life. The Mac Giant Bot Eater in real life. The Bus Eater in real life. The Car Eater in real life. the Choo Choo Charles in real life. The Spider Ambulance Truck Eater in real life. The House Head in real life. The Lightning McQueen Scorpion in real life. The Miss Delight in real life. The Monster Bulldozer Eater in real life. The Police Car Spider Eater in real life. The Red Fire Truck Spider Monster in real life.
Guess the monster's voice. Round 1.
The Spider Ambulance Truck Eater in game.
Round 2.
The Monster Bulldozer Eater in game.
Round 3.
The Police Car Spider Eater in game.
Round 4.
The Thomas Train Monster in game.
Round 5.
The Red Fire Truck Spider Monster in game.
Round 6.
The Saw Billy Trick in game.
Round 7.
The House Head in game. catnap monster in game.
Round 9.
The Lightning McQueen Scorpion in game.
Round 10.
The Miss Delight in game.
Now let's play round 1 of finding 3 differences. Please leave your answers in the comments section. Well done! The real color of the character. Leave your answer in the comments. Well done!
Guess the monster's voice. Round 1.
The Spider Lighthouse in game.
Round 2.
The Obunga in game.
Round 3.
The Car Eater in game.
Round 4.
The Boxy Boo Eater in game.
Round 5.
The Bus Eater in game.
Round 6.
The Jacks in game.
Round 7.
The Spider Jeep in game.
Round 8.
The Mac Giant Bot Eater in game.
Round 9.
The Circo Digital in Game.
Round 10.
The Choo Choo Charles in Game.
The McQueen head eater in real life. The minion spider monster in real life. The Cars Mac eater in real life. The Optimus Prime in real life. The Bumblebee in real life.
I have come here to kick ass. Glad to have you back.
The Yellow Grandmaster in real life. The Infected Sky in real life.
Just a monster voice. Round 1.
The Spider Thomas in game.
Round 2.
The Megahorn monster in game.
Round 3.
The Yellow Grandmaster in game.
Round 4.
The McQueen head eater in game.
Round 5.
The Cars Mac eater in game.
Round 6.
be in game.
I have come here to kick ass.
Glad to have you back.
The Modder Guts Ripper in game.
Round 9.
The Infected Sky in game.
Round 10.
The Optimus Prime in game.
Now let's play round 1 of finding 3 differences. Please leave your answers in the comments section. Well done! The real color of the character. Leave your answer in the comments. Well done! Good job, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to see other cartoon and game characters in real life.